Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Alex with the Vacuum Guy here, and today I have for you another video of my Hoover Professional Series model CH520. This thing's been my daily driver ever since I first got it. Just kick this underneath here, so that way it doesn't end up sucking it up when I sat in bed sheets. Brown. Yeah, it's my messy ass closet here. Can't find them, what the hell? Oh, well, they're all the way back here. Don't know how the hell they got back here, but oh well. On hoover.com, I had ordered a 10-pack of the Hoover industrial belts. Completely different part number, and these belts make so much of a difference in there. And it hasn't cracked, splitted, or done anything stupid like that. And as you notice, the machine does sound a little bit different. Like this. Look at those carpet lines. Absolutely beautiful. Yep, so I just figured I'd give you that. Part number for these are, let me get one of the belts out here. Autofocus want to work? Well, if you can't read that, it's 44783. It says Hoover right there, then 44783. Put that. I have 9 belts, even though it looks like a shit ton more. I have a lot more belts. Freaking last me forever. And if you don't notice any difference in quality or audio, it's because I'm using my iPad mini. Yeah, that was my dad sneezing. Funny. Closet's really freaking sad, but let's see if autofocus will work on this. Dang, alright, there we go. Yep, HEPA media. Traps 99.97% of dust and pollen down to 0.3 microns. Disposable bag made with HEPA media. And you can get really up close to the pores of the bag if it decides to autofocus. Hoover Professional Series. You can really get a good view of the belt view window there. Highest, high, medium, and low, so on and so forth, like I've stated before. Steel line fan chamber. Big old freaking headlight, I love that. Freaking vibrates the whole damn floor, it's insane. But just want to give you guys a quick update, so thank you for taking the time to watch, and have a good day. Bye.